Welcome to this video. This video is about install NPM and Node.js using Node installer. There are two different methods to install NPM on a computer, using NVM and using Node installer. Suppose you are not able to install or you are facing some difficulty while installing NPM using Node version manager on your device. The other way to install both NPM and Node.js on your device is using Node.js installer. Navigate to the Node.js download sections where you will find Node.js installer for the different operating systems to install Node.js and NPM together. Depending on your computer operating system and its bits, download any supported Node.js installer. Here I have Windows with 64-bit operating systems and downloading a 64-bit Node.js installer for the device. After downloading, run the setup and follow the installation instruction as shown on the screen. Now click on the next button to start the installation process. Then read the end user license agreement, accept it and click on the next button. Next, choose a custom location of your Node.js and click on next to install and keep it as its default location. Then select the feature of Node.js to get installed and click on next. Then keep it as a default feature provider. If you want to install some other necessary tools like C, C++, Chocolatey with your Node.js and NPM, checkmark the box and click on the next button. Now click on the install button to install Node.js, which also installs NPM on your device. Now click on Yes to install Node.js on the pop-up window. Then click on the Finish button to complete the installation. The additional tools are ready to install. As we marked above to install additional tools automatically, so press any key to continue. Then you can run the command npm install space -g then space npm on your command line to download the latest versions of NPM. So this is about installation of NPM and Node.js using Node installer.